Subscribe to my channel Making Impossible and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any one of my upcoming videos.
Yo, what's up friends, I'm Sholazari and welcome back to Making Impossible, the channel that teaches you how to make the impossible and be the smartest person in the room. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to do the spell card trick. The one that I'm going to show you is my variation of doing the spell card trick, and it's very easy and very simple to do. So without any further ado, let's start our today's video.
This week's Instagram feature goes to Wagga. Follow him on Instagram, link is given in the video description. I'll feature one lucky Instagram user every Monday in my Smack That Monday episodes. If you want your Instagram profile or page to be featured in my next Smack That Monday episode, follow the simple steps that are given in the video description. So now, let's continue.
Okay guys, this is how the card trick looks like. Now you can see over here I have this deck of cards and all the cards that are present in this deck are shuffled, right? What I'm going to do is I'm going to give this deck another shuffle so that you don't suspect me of arranging these cards in any kind of order. So right now this deck of cards are getting mixed up very thoroughly, as you can see. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask my spectator to take a playing card. For example, let's say the spectator selects this one. I'm going to turn my head away from the camera so that you can see the playing card, okay? Trust me, I'm not looking at the playing card. Have you seen the playing card? Alright, so I'm going to take that card and put it in the center of the pack just like this, and drop the rest of the pack on top of that card, right? Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just go through all of these cards and I'll try to figure out what your card was, okay? So let's see if I can find that card that way, okay? I think I've got your card, okay? I think I've got your card, and I think your card is on the top. Is it this one? No? Okay, so it should be the second card. No? Alright, if it's not the second card, it should be the third card. Not at all? Alright, just do me a favor. Tell me what is the name of your card. Just tell me. Seven of clubs? Alright, let's spell down the word. Let's spell down the name of the card, okay? Seven of clubs without any spaces. So S-E-V-E-N, 7 O-F of C-L-U-B and S. This is the last spelled letter, and let's turn over this card, and this is the seven of clubs. So this is how the card trick looks like, and this is an amazing card trick. Let's see how you can do this card trick, okay? Okay guys, this is how the card trick is done. Now first of all, for doing this card trick you need to know how to peek at playing cards. What is a card peek? In general magic terms, card peek is a peek in which you see at the spectator's playing card secretly without your spectators knowing that. But for this trick you're not going to peek at the spectator's card directly. Instead you're going to use a separate card for peeking at the spectator's playing card. So what you're going to do is, at the beginning of the trick, you're going to shuffle the deck. Your spectator can shuffle the deck too. And after the shuffling is done, you're just going to ask your spectator to take a playing card and look at that playing card. So while your spectator looks at that playing card, in this case the six of spades, you're just going to take a peek at the bottom card, okay? You're just going to take a peek of the bottom card of the entire deck. Now you're going to ask your spectator to put his card in the center of the deck, and you're going to do that by just doing a swing cut with half of the deck. So you're going to swing cut the top pack over here and then ask your spectator to drop their playing card on top of this pack. And as they does that, the six of spades, that is their selection, goes over here. And then you're going to drop the bottom packet on the top of this pack. And then the 10 of spades, which is the card that you have picked onto, will be going just on top of the spectator selection. So this is how the deck is right now set. Now let's say you don't know what is your spectator selection. In this case we have saw the six of spades, but while doing the card trick you won't be able to know what is the spectator selection until and unless you see it. So for that reason, as you know that the 10 of spades went on top of the spectator selection, if you go through the playing cards just like this, and if you look at the 10 of spades, then you will already understand that this is the spectator selection. So that is how you get to know what your spectator's playing card is. Now you're going to look at the spectator's playing card while you're turning your hand towards yourself, so that your spectator can't see what you are actually doing and what you are actually seeing. So as you do like this, you're going to turn your hand towards yourself, and you are going to spot out the spectator's card by spotting out your card. And then after you see the spectator's card, you're just going to spell out the spectator's card. So this is the first card, and we're going to spell out the 6 of spades. So S-I-X-O-F, of S-P-A-D-E-S, spades. And you're going to say to your spectator that you think that you have found their playing card, and all you are going to do is, at this point where you have ended with the S of the spades, then you're just going to cut from that point to the top of the deck. Now from the top of the deck, if we count down, if we spell 6 of spades without any spaces, then we are going to get to the 6 of spades. That is the spectator selection. Now first what I do is, I just don't directly spell out the playing card. I just love to play with them, and I just love to just consume more time. And I do like this. I tell them that your playing card is right now on the top. They say no. Then I say, if it's not on the top, then it's on the second position. They say no. And I say, then if it's not on the top, if it's not on the second position, then it's on the third position. And still they say no. At this point I say that, okay, I don't know what your card is, I really don't know, but I actually want to know what your card is. And at that point they will ask you that whether they will say the name of the card or not. And even if they doesn't ask you that, you're just going to ask them what is the name of their card, and they will say that it is the 6 of spades. In this case, as we have seen it, they are actually going to say that name of the playing card. And what you're going to do at this point is, you're going to take back all the cards that you have kept over here, and you're going to put that on the top of the deck. And then you're going to spell the word 6 of spades without any spaces, and you're just going to do it like this: S-I-X-6 O-F of S-P-A-D-E and S. This is the last one, and this will be the 6 of spades. And that is how this card trick is actually done. And this is pretty simple card trick, as you can see, because it doesn't require any kind of setup, just a little bit of pick, and you will be able to do this card trick anywhere, anytime, with any deck of cards. You don't need any kind of duplicate cards. And that's it for the tutorial. So I hope you enjoyed learning this spell card magic trick. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you did so, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Shoal_Zari. Also, if you have any questions, you can use the comment section for that, and don't forget to subscribe to my other channel, which is a Pretty Savage channel. I post funny videos over there. Go and subscribe to that channel. I'll put a link in the description box as well as in the cards. And don't forget to smash the subscribe button of this channel if you're not a subscriber yet, and turn on the post notifications so that you don't miss my upcoming videos and my future Smack That Monday episodes. Peace!